How to get rid of the urine smell in your house, detailed guide. Is your house smelling of urine? Well, don't worry because we'll show you how to get rid of the urine smell in your house in simple steps. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Please, note that the steps in this video are quite general in nature. For specific guides for specific situations, check our playlist on how to get rid of urine smell. Step 1. Locate the source of the smell. This is an important step because without identifying the source, it is difficult to effectively clean and remove the odor. To locate the source of the urine odor, you can use a few different methods such as 1. Follow your nose. The most straightforward way to locate the source of the smell is to simply follow your nose. Urine has a very distinctive smell, so if you can identify the general area where the smell is coming from, you can narrow down the search for the source. 2. Use a black light. Urine contains a substance called uric acid, which will fluoresce under a black light. By using a black light, you can identify any areas that have been contaminated with urine, even if they are not visible to the naked eye. 3. Inspect the area. Once you have identified the general area where the smell is coming from, inspect it carefully. Look for any signs of staining or discoloration, as well as for any areas that may have been scratched or dug at by the pet. Pay special attention to areas where pets like to sleep or rest, such as beds or carpets. 4. Check for possible urine sources. Such as a leaky pipe or a clogged drain, these can also cause an unpleasant smell and should be checked out by a professional. By locating the source of the urine odor, you can then proceed to effectively clean and remove the odor. Step 2. Clean the affected area. Once the source of the smell has been located, clean the affected area thoroughly following these steps. 1. Use a mixture of white vinegar and water. White vinegar is an effective natural cleaner that can help remove urine stains and odor. To use it, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray the affected area thoroughly. Let the solution sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe it up with a clean cloth or paper towels. 2. Use a specialized pet urine cleaner. If your pet is responsible for the urine mess, use a pet urine cleaner for the affected area. There are a variety of pet urine cleaners available on the market that are specifically designed to remove urine stains and odors. These cleaners can often be more effective than using a mixture of vinegar and water, but it is important to read the label and follow the instructions carefully. Also, do not forget to test it in an inconspicuous area first to avoid damage or discoloration of your surfaces. If your pet is responsible for the urine mess, avoid using cleaning products that contain ammonia during the cleaning process. This is because ammonia can actually attract pets back to urinate at the same spot again because urine contains ammonia and it smells familiar to the pet. Cleaning products with a strong fragrance should also be avoided as this can also attract the pet to the spot. Step 3. Dry the area completely. After cleaning, it is important to dry the area completely to prevent the smell from lingering and also prevent the growth of mold or mildew since these thrive in damp environments. These are a few different methods that you can use to dry the affected area. 1. Use a fan. By using a fan, you can speed up the drying process and help to prevent the smell from lingering. Set up a fan to blow across the affected area or use a portable fan to direct airflow. 2. Leave the area to air dry naturally. If the affected area is an open space or well-ventilated area, you can let it air dry naturally. But do bear in mind that it might take longer depending on the quality of airflow and humidity. 3. Use a wet vacuum. For carpeted areas, a wet vacuum can be used to remove as much moisture as possible. This is a great way to remove any remaining cleaning solution and urine that was not removed during the cleaning process. 4. Apply a dry absorbent. Once you've removed as much moisture as possible, you can use a dry absorbent such as baking soda or kitty litter to help absorb any remaining moisture. Leave the dry absorbent on the affected area for at least 24 hours before vacuuming it up. 5. Use a dehumidifier. A dehumidifier can help in the drying process because it absorbs moisture in the surrounding area. In addition, it also projects warm, dry air back into the space. Step 4. Deodorize. Once the area is dry, deodorize it to neutralize the smell and prevent it from returning. These are a few different methods that you can use to deodorize the affected area. 1. Use an enzymatic cleaner. Enzymatic cleaners contain natural enzymes that break down the proteins in urine, neutralizing the smell. These cleaners can often be more effective than using a solution of baking soda and water and are specifically designed to remove urine stains and smells. 2. Use a solution of baking soda and water. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that can help neutralize urine odors. To use it, mix it with water to form a paste. Apply this paste on the affected area. Leave the paste on the area for at least 30 minutes, then wipe it away with a damp cloth. 3. Use essential oils. Some essential oils such as lemon or tea tree oil can work as natural deodorizers. You can put a few drops in the cleaning solution or spray them on the affected area and allow it to sit for 15 to 30 minutes before wiping it off. Step 5. Clean regularly. Clean up likely sources of urine smell regularly. This will keep them fresh and make it less likely that your pets will relieve themselves in those spots again. Following are the routines we recommend. 1. Regular vacuuming. Regular vacuuming is an effective way to remove any remaining urine residue and keep the area fresh. 2. Deep cleaning. Deep cleaning of the affected area can help remove any hidden urine residue that vacuuming may miss. This can be done using an enzymatic cleaner or a solution of baking soda and water. 3. Using odor neutralizers. Some odor neutralizers that are specifically designed to remove urine odor, such as odor neutralizing sprays or candles, can be used to keep the area smelling fresh between cleanings. 4. Monitoring the area. Keep an eye on the area. If the smell returns, clean it again and try to determine why it is happening. Sometimes it may be necessary to use a moisture detector or inspect the area for any possible sources of leaks, since a persistent smell could indicate a more serious problem. Step 6. Set your pets on the right path. There's no point going through the hassles of cleaning your space if it would be soiled a few moments later. Therefore, it's important that you potty train your dog. Also, make sure that you spay or neuter your pets to reduce territorial behaviors like marking or spraying. If you have cats, make sure that their litters are the right ones and in the right places. Step 7. Take care of medical issues. Your pets or kids may be having these urinary accidents due to medical issues. Therefore, it's important that you visit your doctor or vet if these accidents happen frequently. Step 8. Use pee management products. Waterproof mattresses and cushion covers are great for managing bedwetting. Pads and diapers are great for managing incontinence. So take advantage of them to make your work a lot easier and keep your house smelling fresh. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.